How to send big text on Snapchat. To use this feature, first of all, launch your Snapchat application and make sure that you have logged into your account. Then hit on the profile icon, which is on the top left corner. Then this page will be seen. From here, tap on Snapchat Plus. You have to use Snapchat Premium version to use this feature. If you scroll down a little bit, there you will see chat effects option available. As you can see on the top, you will see chat editing option. For that, you need to have Snapchat Premium. Simply hit on the next to get Snapchat Plus and then you are good to go. In this very easy step, you can use this feature of Snapchat to send big text. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.